Introducing the Trail Boss Premium Package. Right behind me is a 2023 Chevrolet Silverado in the Trail Boss, and the Premium Package moves this truck into near luxury where you start creeping in on LTZ and high country territory. But I'm going to show you a few of the things you get that's inside this Premium Package. Now the Trail Boss, we already know, this one here is in the dark ash metallic, so you do get this kind of gray to mix up with your black two-tones, so you can see even in the sun you still get this menacing look of both your black grill bars that comes in through here, plus your hood dome that will come in through there. Naturally, what we've done is we've kept the 18-inch aluminum wheels, and we have the Duratrack tires on there. Now on the inside is where we start getting into the premium luxury package. So naturally, very similar to a convenience package from before, convenience package 2. So you get your buckets, you get your console, and then you also get your wireless charging port that will come in through here. This one here, it comes with the leather interior, and then also you get your Bose sound system that will come in through here. Plus also you get your rear sliding window with your controls that are right up in through here. Now, a few of the other aspects about this, I'm going to kind of get in close here. Comes down to trailering. So as you can see, you get your hitch guidance with hitch view. Then you also get your trailer brake control, trailering app. A little bit further, trailer camera provisions, plus trailer blind zone alert. When you hook up your, you get your wiring provisions that comes in through here. So when you do hook up your trailer cameras, you already have it pre-wired that comes in. Part of this package also is the spray-in bed liner. So you can see it naturally comes in through here. You get your Chevy bow tie. That comes from factory. You're not getting anything aftermarket after. Now, this one also has the remote tailgate down, but it also has remote tailgate up. So all I do is I push the button and it kind of goes up all by itself. Included with the safety package, you have your little parking sensors that will come in through here. So three things that's going to go on. You get your rear cross traffic, you get your rear park assist, plus also you get your rear pedestrian detection. Known to come with the safety package, like, can you see it? There it is, right off my bald head. You get your blind zone alert. Also, one of the luxurious touches that you get through here, when you go back to your home screen, you have the availability of 360-degree surround view, so you can see there's your view all the way around. You can see how close you are to these trucks, and also when I'm looking out the front, you can see there's a Tahoe right there, so I can see it in my camera. When I use this button over here, now I'm looking out the back side of the truck, and then also there's 15 different camera angles that comes all along through here, whether I want a wide angle view or still have my bird's eye view. If I want to look at my wheels, right there's my rear wheels. If I push this button again, now I'm looking at my front. So when I do turn my wheels, I can see how close I am to whether it be curb, sticks, rocks, what have you. So as a reminder of the interior of this 2023 Trail Boss, you get your, layout that goes all the way across laterally, and obviously you get your 13-inch infotainment system. It comes down here. You're going to get your dual zone climate control, heated seats that work. You get a heated steering wheel that's working right now. Plus, when you got your tunes cranked on your XM radio or what have you, don't forget to turn it up loud with your Bose sound system. There you have it, 2023 Chevrolet Silverado in the Trail Boss with the Premium Plus package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel where we get more reviews, more talks, and my thoughts on the automotive industry. And let's talk trucks.